Welcome to GSL GM City 1720, Boat Trail, Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-down video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss LT. This Trail Boss is powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Trail Boss here, we have the power windows, locks, and mirrors, drivability dial for your different driving modes, push-button 4x4, fog lights, in-bed lighting, and automatic headlights. We have a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls. Push-button 4x4 on this side. We have the push-button ignition on this side. We got column shifter there as well. We have our large 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto in there, dual zone, climate control with our heated bucket seats, integrated trailer braking system, parking sensors, as well as auto stop start feature is on this truck. USB ports and an outlet up front here. We have dual glove box with locking bottom. Z71 branded floor liners already installed. Bose audio equipment and our leather heated bucket seats up front in the Trail Boss. Take a quick look at the exterior of the Trail Boss here. We do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package. Beautiful all black 18-inch wheels with the Goodyear Wrangler Autotrac all-terrain tires on there. Blacked out door handles, window trim, blind spot detection, and Z71 on the front fender. Looking at the front of the truck, all black grille, signature for the LT Trail Boss, black bow tie, red tow hooks, fog lamps, parking sensors, and LED daytime running lamps. This truck does have the 2-inch factory lift kit up front, making room for those larger tires and bigger stance. Rear tinted privacy windows, as well as the truck is remote start equipped. Black rear bumper, dual chrome exhaust tips, parking sensors, trailer tow hitch, and LED tail lamps wrap up the rear. Taking a quick look at the interior, our second row leather 60/40 split. Both end seats here are car seat ready, as well as they do have the in-seat storage feature. 60/40 allows you to fold those seats up with under-seat storage and ample room on the ground should you need it. A rear sliding window with defrost, solid roof over top and LED lighting, and USB ports in the back of the center console. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado Trail Boss. If this is your next factory V8 lifted crew cab pickup truck, come see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.